Proofreading is one of the ways you can use to make money on ChatGPT. So how does proofreading happen? So as you probably may guess, proofreading is done by taking a document and going through it to correct grammatical errors and contextual errors among others. And ChatGPT is able to help you do this. So if you've seen some apps like Grammarly among others, they were built on a ChatGPT system or ChatGPT model, and you now have ChatGPT to yourself, so you can use it to actually do a lot of proofreading. So I'm going to open one of my writing material. It's called The Poison of Unforgiveness. Unforgiveness is actually a very dangerous thing to have for yourself. So I'm just copy a section of it and do proofreading with it. So I'll just come ChatGPT and do proofread this. So as I've done proofread this, it's going through to make some questions. So for example, the reality of life on earth here is that there will always be people who knowingly or unknowingly offend us, people who hurt us, betray us, and cause us pain that may take a long time, lifetime to forget. Let me see what was originally written there. The reality of life on earth is that people will offend us knowingly or unknowingly. So instead it has been able to restructure it and make a correction. The people hurt us, betray us, and cause us pain. Okay, so people who hurt us, betray us, and cause us pain may take a lifetime to forget. This is an inevitable part of the world. Since not everybody is walking according to the dictates of the Holy Spirit. So here, this is an inevitable part, not as no one is. So it goes to correct certain errors that were in there. So let me ask it, what did you correct? So I corrected minor typos and grammatical. Okay, so for instance, sorry I typed this wrong. So here, for example, since not everybody is living according to the dictates of the Holy Spirit, I added a comma after since, and it explains itself. So with this, you are able to do proofreading. You're able to do uh, paraphrasing among others. So ChatGPT is able to help you do this and more. So you can always ask it to even generate text, ask it to regenerate particular sentences. So let's say, for example, okay, so I'm looking. Okay, so this is actually a short part I wrote on it. So this subchapter is one of the smallest, just a paragraph. So I want to correct it. So what I will do is review this. So the sentence looks good, hence, but there are minor suggestions. For example, the sentence "those who are," tho- okay, the sentence "those are but many of the arguments that can raise." So it could be rephrased as "those are just a few of the arguments that can be raised to support what you might not want to why you might not want to forgive." So realize that it does all these corrections that you can take it, do the correction for the person, and even note. So you can just copy this and note it as the correction. So I'll ask it to correct. So if I ask you to correct that, so the correction becomes: is unforgiveness really that bad? Doesn't it help maintain self dignity, preserve self respect? Doesn't it prevent people from trampling on your life? So they are just a series of questions to debate as to whether unforgiveness is really worth it or not. But at the end of the day, you realize that unforgiveness is not actually worth it. So I'll ask you to expand the series of questions debating for the topic. So for example, I'm asking it, so here's an expansion. So it's giving me more content in relation to that. So it just giving me more series, what's the name, a series of more responses that can even help make the document better. So kind of, if you are writing a book self and you are somewhere stuck in the middle, you don't know how to continue, you can use ChatGPT to even help you do this with your proofreading and all other things. So this is actually a way you can earn. So when it comes to Fiverr, you want to check people who earn with proofreading. We have those who will charge you less than $15 here, between $15 to $40 here. And when we talk of $15, it's not actually, and $5 to cedi is 58 cedis. So $4 to cedis is 58 cedis. You can convert it to your local currency and you realize that you just be spending a little time to do something like this and charge more. And note, once you're able to have the lower rates, if your rates are lower, you're going to get more. So for example, this person charges $25, has 1K people, and this has 200 people. $10 has 1K people. $45 has just a fewer people. So realize that the lower charging people have more people signing up because of affordability and all that. But you using ChatGPT can even charge less than that because you spend less time doing it, and you are going to be cashing out. So we'll talk more about how to even cash out much later.